Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. So I'm going to show you around the lovely T-cross Black edition we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely Reflex silver metallic paintwork. So it features a 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 95 PS, and that's married to a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. Being an approved used car from ourselves, you will get 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more. But if you need any more information throughout the video, please call us on 01270 864 452. So at the front you now get full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And down the side of the car you've got these beautiful 17-inch Manila Alloy Wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. Your heated gloss black wing mirrors to the side for extra convenience, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards aiding in sun protection for rear passengers. Jump into the rear of the vehicle now, you've got the cream headlining, it helps brighten up the interior. And these lovely patterned cloth seats as well with contrasting white stitching. You've got ISOFIX points on the outer seats. And your rear passengers are more than happy in the back there as well, with a couple of power outlets and a bit of storage. There's also a little bit of storage at the back of the front seats for any magazines or iPads as well. So plenty of legroom and headroom also on offer. You've got a generous amount of boot space on offer. You do have an adjustable boot floor, so it goes slightly lower if you need any more room for larger items. You've got 60/40 split folding seats on offer as well, so plenty of room for multiple suitcases there. You do have a little bit of storage as well as your tyre repair kit just under there as well. Your front and rear parking sensors fitted standard, make it nice and easy to park up. You've got total peace of mind there. And just jump into the front of the vehicle now. Just give you a closer look at those lovely seats. Got an armrest also on offer to keep you nice and comfortable on the road. Got lovely trim just on the dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, and a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel also on offer. And that concludes a 360 walk around. I'm going to jump behind the wheel in a moment and go through some interior features. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. So just behind the wheel now on the left hand side you've got follow controls, adaptive cruise control settings, as well as your assistance systems on board such as your lane assist. On the right hand side controls all information on its digital display. So it houses all your different driving data in there, such as your range, your miles per gallon, and much more. Let's move on to a fantastic infotainment screen. You've got digital radio, so plenty of storage here for your favourite radio stations. You've got a huge range of options to choose from with the DAB station list as well to keep you entertained on the move. Got multiple media inputs also on offer, a couple of USB ports dotted around the cabin, and of course your Bluetooth connectivity for your phone calls and also music streaming. Don't have to worry about navigation either with the AppConnect system on board, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and this allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. So a fantastic system, effectively giving the car sat navigation through the use of your mobile phone. Got your front and rear parking sensor screen there, with audible warnings and also the guidelines. So you can keep your paintwork in top condition whilst parking up. And a little bit further down the cabin, you've got your manual air conditioning, so plenty of adjustment there to keep you nice and comfortable on the road. It's also nice and easy to adjust even whilst driving. A little bit further down the cabin as well, you've got a little bit of storage and a couple of USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices on the go, as well as the optionally fitted induction phone charging as well. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or would like to book in for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist further. Don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks very much for watching and take care.